Ever this thought crossed your mind, like how are these models able to extremely great skin and good glow on their face throughout the day? Today, we're diving into the secret supermodels use to achieve that jaw-dropping glow-up. Let's get started. 1. Skincare is everything. Supermodels swear by a consistent skincare routine. Start with a gentle cleanser. Apply the moisturizer. For glowing skin, apply retinol serum. And at last, use sunscreen to protect you from harmful UV rays. 2. Hydration is key. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Hydration keeps your skin plump and radiant. Models often carry a water bottle everywhere they go. Pro tip: add a slice of lemon or cucumber for extra freshness. 3. Healthy diet. What you eat shows on your skin. Supermodels load up on fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Avoid processed foods and sugar as much as possible. 4. Regular exercise. Exercise not only keeps you fit, but also boosts your mood and improves skin health. Aim for at least 30 minutes of physical activity daily, whether it's yoga, running, or a gym workout. By now you already have great skincare routine, healthy diet, and get to know about benefits of exercise. I have 3 more tips for your best glow up. 5. Beauty sleep. Yes, it's called beauty sleep for a reason. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night. This helps your body repair and rejuvenate, keeping your skin clear and glowing. 6. Grooming and hygiene. Regularly in the time period of 2 to 3 weeks, have a haircut, keep your nails clean and trimmed, and proper grooming make a huge difference. Keep your hair clean and styled, and maintain good personal hygiene. 7. Confidence and posture. Confidence is the ultimate glow-up secret. Stand tall, smile, and believe in yourself. Good posture not only makes you look better, but also boosts your confidence. And that's all. 7 tips to glow up like a supermodel. Remember, these tips are just the tip of the iceberg. If you really want to glow up, you have to work hard in all phases of your life, including your academics, your dream aesthetic body, your social skills like communication and public speaking, your financial situation. This all can be achieved by time management. I have a whole video on it. Make sure to check it out. Finally, the key is consistency and taking care of yourself from the inside out. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Stay fabulous, and I'll see you in the next video.